Alright guys, so this is a little video I put together for my engine build for the 350Z. So as you can see, this is basically the first day of how I just put the car on the lift, made sure the bumper was off because we pulled it from the front rather than from the bottom. So this is us, Zach and I, just putting the car up. We had already taken the harnesses off just to see basically if we have anything hanging or that we missed, but this is just me going over to look around to see if we missed anything. So as you can see, basically we just took off the exhaust, and after we took off the exhaust, we went to the front of the engine, took off the bottom mounts. Then after the bottom mounts, we went to the exhaust, the headers. Then the headers, we went to the top. Made sure the harness was completely free before trying to like pull the engine out, because we didn't want to just try to yank stuff out without making sure everything was freely out. And after we had made sure that was good, we try to find the best spot to mount the top of the crane so we can pull it up. And we weren't really sure exactly where to mount it anywhere. Like, it didn't have anywhere on the internet where it says you can mount it on this, like Nissan's pages. So we basically just found the strongest bolts and we pulled it out. As you can see, this is us checking out the new engine versus to the old engine, comparing, making sure we got, first of all, we got the right engine before going way too far. And after we had put the engines both on the ground, I started going with the older engine that was in the car, taking the stuff apart, while Zach is on the new engine, freeing up every single mess from like the shippers and stuff like that. So as I was doing the freeing up the old engine to the new engine, he's doing the opposite. So this is me just making sure while the engine is out, I just made sure just to basically reseal it, the intakes, front main seal, rear main seal, just basically so we don't have to do this later on, and it will be way easier while the car is already out. While the engine is already out. So this is just me checking over everything, and as you can see, I learned so much from this project. Like, I had never done anything like this, so I had so much fun, and I thank Zach all the way thoroughly. Like, he helped me so much, like better understanding my car, because before it was just really just me ripping on my car and just not caring, like, oh, okay, if it breaks, you can go to the shop. But like, now that I got to like actually put my hands onto this, like, I appreciate this a lot more. So I thank Zach all the way thoroughly for teaching me how to do this, because like, I didn't really know how this was gonna go out. Like, I just got into the shop about 3-4 months ago, coming up to a year now, because like this video is kind of like a put away together. So like, I learned so much, but I'm kind of rambling right now. So back to the video. This is kind of like the second day we were on that project. This would be the third day how everything is put together. We're getting ready to start it. So as you can see, we were all so excited because I hadn't driven this car in 4 or 5 months. Like I was ready to drive this thing. You can see, started right up. Well, not right up, because it actually, we didn't know that at this time it had a long extended tank. So due to like it's getting a low voltage to the paint sensor. So that's another thing to fix. The main thing right here was just to put the engine in the car. This is Zach taking it for a rip real quick, just to make sure everything is good to go. And yeah, so this is my little put together of Nissan 350Z engine rebuild. Well, I guess not a really engine rebuild, just putting a new engine, new VQ back into the 350Z. So yeah, as you can see, the first night wasn't really worried about anything about the bumper, because the bumper supports the left side under the headlight. The clip is broken, so I had to obviously either get a new one or figure out how to fix that. So I wasn't really worried about the bumper. All I was worried about is the car running. As you can see, a nice RX-7 over there. So yeah. But overall, so excited that the 350 is back in business. Yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, because I have a lot more stuff that I'm planning on doing with the 350Z. And I also have a 240SX. So yeah, check out the channel and stick around to see what we have going on. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.